here on the guitars, Beach Bear, and on the drums back here is Duke LaRue. And just in case any of you ladies want to know who's playing the piano there, well, that's me. Fats. F-A-T-Z stands for Found at the Zoo.
Yeah, Found at the Zoo.
At the zoo in New Orleans, Louisiana.
Hey, Fats, that's why I have a fair, huh?
Yeah, I guess about some kind of fair or something. I don't know.
Hey, doesn't it start sometime in the spring? Let's see, when is it?
May 12th, 1984 at 10:30 a.m. I think. I don't know too much.
Yeah, aren't they supposed to be having a lot of people there?
Yeah, I don't keep up with too much, Mitch. I think they said they're going to have some kind of big to-do down there.
Fats?
Hey, Fats, I heard they're going to have a million people on there.
12.5 supposed to pass through the gate.
Come on, you hadn't heard anything about it, huh, Fats?
I don't know too much about
Not
it.
a thing. Yeah, well, sure, where did you get all these stuff from?
Oh, well, like I say, I don't know too much about it. I just pick up the paper every now and
Oh,
then.
come on, Fats, fess up. Listen, everybody, you know what? Fats isn't telling us the truth. Actually, they held a international writing contest to write the song for the World's Fair, for the 1984 New Orleans World's Fair.
Yeah.
And guess who won the contest? It was, I'm not going to tell you. Fats, tell them. Come on, tell them.
Well,
Okay, I'll tell them. It was Fats. Oh, wow.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, no kidding. And you know what? And you're not going to believe what the prize was. I can't. But Fats, tell them what you won.
I don't know, Billy Bob. I don't
Come
know.
on.
Come on, Fats.
You won 3,500 banana skins with the bananas chopped and peeled and ready for cornflakes. And you know what? And the song is so nice, and we're not kidding, folks. It's actually true. Fats really wrote this song, and we can do it for you. We can do the music. Hey, Fats, come on. Will you do it for us? Will you sing it and do it?
No, I don't.
Come on, Fats.
Okay, well, listen, I'll do it. I'll do it for everybody, okay?
No, Billy Bob. I think I can handle it. I tell you what, why don't we just all sing it? Come on.
Yeah, good idea.
Here we go.
Let's go to
I've actually
Louisiana.
never seen this show.
The whole world telling me what it is. Come on, let's see. The next door rivers of the world. So much to learn, so much to see.
Now, Louisiana.
Yeah. It's fire! Shoot!
When's Rolf and Doe gonna come out?
I don't know, that's because Rolf and Doe!
They freak me out.
Mulligan. There we are.
Alright, everybody. While we're in New Orleans, let's go to the place where I was born and raised. Open Autumn Zoo. Here's a song written about
my God,
that
I'm
zoo.
so happy
We're
right
gonna
now.
do it just like I heard.
Yeah, I wish I could get up close.
Here we go. Hit it,
Reckon if
guys.
I ask?
No, you can't get close to them.
Crawfish here to stay. They all ask for you.
No, I've never seen it.
Just watch the show, darling. Thank you, Florida.
They all ask for you. They all ask for you. Well, right about you. You're looking on that. The water is blue. And they all ask for you. The monkey ask, the tiger ask, and the elephant ask you too. You're funny, man. You're funny. You're all talk about you. Red beans and rice. I got one thing to say. Okay. Say, well, when I was down there. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Well, I went on up the big old sky.
That's who I've been.
You they all ask you. Me and the even know why about you. Well, I went on up the big old sky. The ducks asked, the eagle asked, and the birds asked me. Hey, nobody was wanting me. No, they were asking about you. Yeah, they must go say, they love us. Let's do it.
Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, girl, we can do anything. Everybody get your hands together now.
The whale has, and the alligator has.